For the last 3 days, I did an experiment which was being a child. And it was in a very specific way. It was not being physically dependent, but actually about growing up in an emotional way. And that started with simply being in the place where I was and noticing everything that was going on in me and sharing it with my newly chosen mom. And sharing all these tiny things that I would normally judge as irrelevant, that I would judge as childish. And really allowing myself to go there, to move from this place of everything, every little tension I can bring here, and this person is available for me and holding space for me. And the other thing that it brought for me was this fear of taking without giving back. And I noticed that I was checking in again and again with my mom about, like, is she still here because she also gets something from that? And is she still here because she wants to and she has the choice? And I, until day 3, and still I noticed this part that is so much checking in with her and not trusting that she would say something. She would say no when she wouldn't want to be with me anymore. The third thing that I discovered was about asking questions, and that every question is welcome, and I can bring it. I can ask about the most simple thing, about what is heat, what is a blade of grass, and it can open doors and universes for conversations to emerge. This deep curiosity about the world, to allow myself to be in that and to share it, to share what I feel, what I see, and also the answers that are coming from a different place that I didn't know before. A place of, or that I knew before, but that I forgot, this place of just attunement and combined with playfulness and wild imagination. This experiment of being a child for 3 days really was so healing, so transformational, and it's still continuing for me. It's continuing in a way that now I'm recalibrating and seeing, where am I going from this? I notice all the other ego states next to the child ego state coming up more strongly, and I am more aware of where I am in the child ego state. So I really recommend doing this experiment if it resonates with you, and in the way that emerges for you. And I set this intention that I wanted to do this experiment, and then I went through a process that was so intense that after that I felt like I was ready to be newborn, and I asked this one person that was with me to be my mom.